GJ's Journal? Welcome to this amazing vlog, but I'm gonna teach you how I edit my thumbnails, because y'all over here talking about that. How do I edit my thumbnails? Y'all ask me the same questions over and over again. Okay, so we are finna go to CapCut, and then y'all can see my projects. We are finna go to all tools, and then we are finna go to collage. I'm gonna just pick some random pictures. So if you want to pick a random picture, just do this one, or let's see, I don't know. Got so many pictures. This one and this one. So we're gonna go to next, and then they give you like options. Go here, and then go press the check button and press ratio if you want it as a YouTube thumbnail, or if you want it as a Instagram picture, post, or whatever. It don't really matter, but that's your goal. So go to this one, and then go here, and then go press edit more, and then I'm about to screen record so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay guys, the screen recording is right here, so let's get into it. So we're finna do a filter. You gotta press the clip so you can, sorry guys, you can barely see me. We are going to we're gonna press the thing and press filters, and then we are going to go here because it looks really nice. Another one, and then press filters. I don't know about doing the other one. All right, so if you want to add a text or something to your thumbnail, press text, and then press add text, and then just pick a style of the text that you want as your vlog. So I would say this, a day in my life. Or if you want to change it, it could be something else, but that's what I really go for. And then if you want to add options into the vlog, then if you want to add options into the vlog, you gotta put them on the side. You gotta put them on the other sides of pictures. So you gotta go here and then press chit chat, because I usually chit chat a lot. I got too much. Yeah, I would say this, and then we're gonna put it right here. I memorize it, guys. Okay, and then we are gonna go sleeping. There. So you got your vlog, and then if you wanna, when you export it, don't export it, because if you export it, it's going to be a video instead of a thumbnail. So you have to screenshot it, and then you have to do this and crop it, and then just press the check button and save it on your photos. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and don't miss any tutorials and thumbnails and everything, because y'all don't want to miss them. So love you guys, and bye.